One moment, please. Oh gosh. Where's the dang remote? No. Nope. OMG. Okay. Today we are going to find out what happens if you actually microwave chewed gum. There's a risk. Who knows, something might explode though? That's the only problem. Something might actually happen. I could have done a bigger piece of gum. I would be the first person, well, maybe not entirely the first person, but we're all going to be the ones who figured out what happens when you microwave chewed gum. I'm going to point it in for 1 minute. Oh gosh. So far, nothing. Oh gosh. Oh, I heard something. Ooh. So far, nothing's happening. Oh gosh. I'm scared, bruh. Who knows if I try to eat that gum again and it's like completely dry. Okay, I think we should take it out as soon as it reaches 10 seconds left. 11. Bam. Oh, yo! No way! It like melted. Still smells like chewed gum. It just melted. Hold on. Where are the toothpicks? Nope. Oh my gosh. I'm gonna just use one chopstick. It's very out of form. It's no longer that kind of sticky thing, you know? This went back to its old form. Oh gosh, this is crazy. What? It tastes like corn syrup. What the heck? So out of flavor. How do I know what corn syrup tastes like? I don't know. But that's crazy.